That's disgusting.
He's been doing that all morning.
I know. That's how he let me know he had a poopy diaper. Yeah. He started going. Naked boy, naked boy. Look at that belly. Stop. Tell Daddy to stop. Travis, stop. If you hit him, I swear I'm going to punch you in your penis. No, Mommy protect you. Mommy protect you. Ew. Say hi. Go on to Facebook.
What's up, Diglets?
Don't say it. I'm going. Okay, everyone knows the truth about you now. Look at his specs. Look at his nerdy glasses. 4 eyes. Pumpkins. Pumpkin. Get. Ooh la 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 la. Aww. Is that what you think of it? Stop, Travis. That hurts my hand. Mommy's number one. Oh. Yeah. Mommy number one. Yay, number one, Mommy. Daddy's number 0. What do you think of Daddy? Look how wet it is. Ew. Look at him on the phone.
Oh, it's so gross, really.
You're so gross. I love you. My nasty baby.